Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 4, a visit to Sagain. Allah ya fara bale aziyara sign number 7 for you. Sign number 7 golle a visit to Sagain. Ugwa Sagin shorore ke baratoza. Weka mumu weka momyu side shosho yo hot de. Mumu setono momyu setono. This is the day that we have been waiting for. Aziyar diniyan odin diyanallah ara entazar gori ashilam. Don't you remember to foreign flash? Uncle Tin is going to take us to Sagain. Uncle Tin arare Sagain shore kalo jargoi. The children got up quickly for anunda se taraturi udiore tiaye. Wash and had their breakfast. Itara ata duyore itara dase nasta goje. When Utin arrived in his car, the tamade Utin dase itar garije hoshe. They were ready. Itara radio ye. Uba A and Do A sat in the back with CC. Uba A de ar Do A da se boshe sisterwati fidutun. And Mongmu Shaw and Momu sat in front with Utin. Ar da se Momu de Shaw ar Momu Montun Utino wati boshe. When they reached Mandele, the tamaditara Mandele foshe. Utin dropped across the Sagain bridge. Utin solar garide Sagain bridge or Utun. Sagain solar bridge or Utun. The bridge is built across the Erawadi river. A bridge se banaide Erawadi Doria or Turi. We shall soon be in Sagain. Site Doe. Doe hoye Aratun there is no Sagain Madua Huribo. If it is not too hot, though the goram noile, the children can go out in the boats. Fuanunda se barkule da feribu ade budoredibo. When they got across the river, the tamaditara doria golat pai doria rutuda dian lat pai. The weather was fine. Mosunda se balashil. When they reached Sagain, the tamadar Sagain mother hoshe, Utin stopped. Utin da se stop budget the car and they all got out. Utine garire stop budget adasita yogum bar kule nelle. Uba a gave the children some money. Uba a fangunore kesutia die. When they got the money, the tamadar itaratia faye, they ran to some boatmen. Itara duriye kesuda se $2 hasi. They gave 2 boatmen some money. Itara se $2 kesutia diye. Shosho and Momo got into one boat. Shosho de Momulore Kambudagi and Mongmu and CC got into the other boat. Mongmu de CC are Kambudamazagi. The 2 boatmen took them along the river. A budola dunu jone itarare doriare logie. The Sagain hills were very beautiful. Sagain or Fargunda se bishi sundarashil. After 1 hour, Agunda bade, they got back to the shore. Itara fisa ayore hasalot faye and got into the car. Ardase gari utore golle. I enjoyed that. Atu bishi kuch lagi yan. Side CC hodde. Tole bayan diada se a visit to Sagain iba aida hila didere back home one shuru hobo. Tole meherbani kore ar channel ko subscribe kore rakhiba. Aaj sakal asal English ba gumra inshallah furayim shesh gurim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.